using the PlanOut V2 platform. So from scanning the QR code
Yan.
Yes.
to selecting their category and confirming their slot, everything happens in real time. And as you can see, so far, wala namang pong problema, di ba?
Wala naman.
No complications. There we go. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there are no complications and no long processes. Just a few taps and you guys are in. So ano ba yung category niyo, Miss Diana?
Hinahanap ko yung pro, wala eh.
So sasali po kami sa mix.
Sa mix.
Sa mix.
Anong age, Jeff?
Huwag mo na banggitin yung edad ko.
Okay. Intermediate, advanced, or open? Age? May age talaga.
May age talaga.
Oo, kailangan ilagay.
Ayan, mixed
Ayan,
doubles.
mixed doubles.
Meron.
Tapos may
Mixed
presyo.
doubles.
Ayan, add to cart.
Ayun, intermediate 19 plus mixed doubles is 3,000.
And then,
Tama?
check out. Ganun lang po kadali. So, pipili kayo ng category which is kung intermediate kayo, kung advanced, kung beginner. Tapos, meron pong options. Women's doubles, men's doubles, and mix. Yun po yung pinili namin ni Jeff, mix. And then, meron po siyang price. So, it's 3,000 pesos. Then, i-add to cart nyo lang po and then now, checking out and then proceed
Alam mo, Diana,
sa
walang
payment.
biro. Sobrang ganda ho ng app na to. Ang bilis. Ang bilis niyang nakuha yung 3,000 ko. Ubus, oh. Hindi pa ako pumipindot, bumawas na eh. Hindi, walang biro. Sobrang user-friendly siya. Kasi ako usually minsan may mga ganitong app na parang ang hirap pasukin. Pag pinasok mo, ang daming malilito ka, mga step by step, hindi ka... Like ito, kita mo kaagad yung step by step, sobrang linaw. So, kahit nakapikit ka, yes.
Dire-diretso siya.
Yes, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, you can also experience the app. Just scan the QR codes on the screen so you can also see step by step just how seamless and easy the app registration is.